Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a counter easily. We'll start by looking at readily available tools that can help you track numbers without any hassle. Whether you need to count items, people, or events, these methods are designed for simplicity and efficiency. You'll find that getting an accurate count can be much easier than you think, often requiring just a few simple steps or a quick download. For instant and versatile counting, digital apps are a fantastic choice. Simply search your app store for Counter or Tally Counter to find many free options. These apps often allow you to create multiple counters, label them, and even add or subtract with a single tap. They are perfect for tracking inventory, attendance, or even personal habits, providing a clear digital record of your counts. Sometimes, a physical counter is exactly what you need. A handheld clicker is a classic example, offering a satisfying tactile response with each count. For simpler needs, a pen and paper for tally marks works perfectly, especially when counting up to 5 or 10 items at a time. You can also use small objects, like coins or beads, to represent units, moving them from one pile to another as you count. To optimize your counting process, consider breaking down large quantities into smaller, more manageable groups. For example, count items in batches of 10 or 25. Always perform a quick double check of your final count to ensure accuracy, especially for important data. For more complex tracking, spreadsheet software offers powerful functions to count occurrences or sum values automatically, saving you significant time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.